This is the HUAWEI Nova 10 SE I have in front of me, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can download and install the Fortnite game on it. First of all, open any search engine that you'd like. I'll go with Google myself. Then at the search query, you gotta, let me get back to, Google search. At the search query, type in Fortnite APK, exactly like so. Among the search results, go find and go for the official epicgames.com website. Then you gotta, once the webpage gets loaded, tap on and download the app from Epic Games link. Confirm that you would like to still download the file. Then open it. Wait until Epic Games Launcher gets installed. Afterwards, you gotta launch it. Next, click on the Get button in front of Fortnite. Then on this yellow Install button, and now we'll wait until all the necessary installation files will be downloaded. Alrighty, so as you can see, the security check has been performed. Now we gotta allow Epic Games to install apps and confirm the installation of a Fortnite game. Now we can launch the game, and all that it's left to do is for it to, update and, download all necessary updates and resources. After which, you'll be able to start playing the Fortnite. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.